Starting a business on Amazon is like planting a seed that could grow into a big, profitable tree. But before you water that seed, you might wonder if you need to put a protective fence around it. In business terms, that fence is what we call an LLC, a limited liability company. You might be asking, do I really need this fence? Can my tree just grow without it? Well, the simple answer is yes. Your business tree can grow without an LLC, but there are some pretty good reasons why you might want to build that fence anyway. By the way, if you would like to get help in starting your own LLC, then I recommend you sign up with Northwest Registered Agent by clicking my affiliate link down in the description of this video. They're professionals and they'll be able to help you out with any questions you have. Plus, clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. And with that in mind, let's get started. First off, let's tackle a big question. Do you need to be an LLC to sell on Amazon? The straightforward answer is no. You can start selling as what's called a sole proprietor, which is just a fancy way of saying it's just you, yourself, and you run the show. No need to fill out any special paperwork to become a sole proprietor. You can just dive right in. However, just because you can jump in without becoming an LLC, does that mean you should? Here's where we get into the good stuff. The benefits of actually taking the time to form an LLC for your Amazon adventure. An LLC is like a magic shield that helps protect you from the scary dragons of debts and legal trouble. If your product accidentally turns into a fire-breathing dragon that causes problems, having an LLC means those problems don't burn down your personal castle. For example, your personal assets like your car or home. Now, let's talk about the perks of building the protective LLC fence around your business. Number one, it's like armor for your personal stuff. If something goes wrong in your business, your personal belongings are protected. It's like having a knight armor around everything you own personally, so business troubles don't hurt them. Number two, growing your business tree. With an LLC, you can feel more confident about planting more seeds and growing your business without worrying as much about the risks. Number three, selling from across the pond. Even if you're not in the US, an LLC lets you play in the big league by making it easier to sell to US customers, US banking, and access other tools that make business smoother. Number four, tax benefits. Imagine if at the end of a board game, you could pass some of your taxes to another player. That's kind of what an LLC does with taxes. They pass through to your personal tax return, potentially saving you money. Number five, less paperwork. Compared to bigger companies, running an LLC is like having a lightweight backpack on a hike instead of carrying a whole camping setup. There are fewer forms to fill out and hoops to jump through. Now, how do you set up this LLC so you can start selling on Amazon with all these benefits? It's not as complicated as it might sound, and here's a simple guide on how to do it. Choose a unique business name. Choosing a unique business name is like picking a special nickname that only your business wears, but it should follow the legal requirements set up by your state. It's important because it makes your business stand out and easy for customers to remember. You don't want customers confusing your amazing products with someone else's because of a similar name. Before you settle on a name, do a quick search online to make sure no one else is using it. This step is like claiming your very own spot in the vast business world. Pick a trusty registered agent. A registered agent is someone you appoint to receive important legal and tax documents for your business. Think of it as choosing a trustworthy teammate who ensures you never miss important information. This person or company needs to be available during business hours to accept documents on your behalf. It's crucial because if you miss these documents, it could lead to big problems. Choosing a reliable registered agent is one of the foundations of setting up your business properly. File the paperwork, articles of organization. Filing the articles of organization is like telling the government, hey, my business exists. This document outlines the basics about your business, such as the name, address, and who's in charge. It's the official step to make your business recognized by the state. There's usually a fee to file this paperwork, but think of it as investing in the official start of your business journey. Once filed, your business is officially born and ready to grow. Get an EIN. An employer identification number, EIN, is essential for your business, acting like a social security number does for individuals. It's necessary for tax purposes, hiring employees, and opening a business bank account. The good news is that getting an EIN is free and easy, and you could do it directly through the IRS website. This number is your business's unique identifier and keeps your personal finances separate from your business dealings. It's a critical step for keeping your business organized and legitimate. Create an LLC operating agreements. An LLC operating agreement lays out how your business runs, who owns what, and how decisions are made. It's like the rule book for your business, making sure everyone plays fair and knows their responsibilities. Even if you're the sole owner, this document is key for defining your business structure and operations. It outlines what happens to profits, how disputes are resolved, and the process if the business ends. Creating this agreement brings clarity and structure, helping to avoid conflicts in the future. Open business bank accounts. Opening separate bank accounts for your business is like having different baskets for your personal and business eggs. It helps you track your business's financial health and makes tax time much simpler. With a business account, you can also accept payments under your business name, which looks more professional. It's a crucial step for managing your money wisely and keeping a clear boundary between your personal and business finances. Plus, it reinforces the legal protection an LLC provides by keeping your finances distinct. Get the right permits and licenses. Depending on what you're selling and where your business is located, you might need specific permits and licenses. This step is like getting permission slips that say that you're allowed to do business in a certain way or place. It's important to research and understand what your business specifically needs to operate legally. These permits and licenses can range from local to federal, and each has its own application process and fees. Getting the right paperwork in order ensures your business operates smoothly and avoids legal trouble. You might be thinking, this sounds like a lot, but the truth is, setting up an LLC can be a smooth process, especially if you ask for help. There are companies and services that walk you through each step or even take care of some steps for you, like being your registered agents. In summary, while you don't need to form an LLC to sell on Amazon, doing so can offer a strong layer of protection for your personal assets, make taxes a bit friendlier, and even help you grow your business. It takes some effort to build, but once it's up, you'll be glad you have it the next time legal troubles come knocking. And don't forget that if you would like to get help in starting your own LLC, then I recommend you sign up with Northwest Registered Agents by clicking my affiliate link down in the description of this video. They're professionals and they'll be able to help you out with any questions you have. Plus, clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. Thank you for watching. Till next time.